Beautiful people, tonight I'm gonna make us banana smoothie. So ito yung mga got a banana there na sobrang hinog na siya. So gagawin ko to. So don't judge kahit ganito na siya. Tingnan natin yung sa loob kung okay pa. Yes, still okay. Hindi mo talaga siya makita if it's good or not kung hindi mo siya bubuksan. So kaya hindi tayo manghusga sa ibang tao kung hindi natin alam yung totoong story. Okay, so slice ko siya ng tiny pieces para madali siyang anuhin. So, sira na yung panglabas pero yan. Dito mga beautiful people, kung hindi ka lang matamad, marami kang magagawa kasi kumpleto mga gamit dito, ganun. Pag matamad ka lang talaga, wala kang magawa. So lagyan ko sana ito ng watermelon at papaya, pero sabi ng asawa ko hindi siya daw masarap. 1 cup of milk, fresh milk, and vanilla ice cream. So yan, kunti na natitira. So hard to get. To make the nice flavor, lagyan ko lang siya ng 2 teaspoon. Kasi ayaw, 2 spoon, kasi ayaw ko naman na sobra siyang sweet. Kasi the banana is already sweet. So yan. So, mga beautiful people, magna 9 o'clock na, tapos gagawa pa na ako kasi ayaw ko masisira ang banana, sayang. So yan, nakasit na siya. Lagyan natin yung takip. Ready, 1, 2. Oh fuck. Is that broken? So yan, the smoothie is ready mga people. Ang bilis lang yan gawin. Yan. Na kayo, inom tayo. Yan. Hello mga people. Mag-unboxing ako ng box na ito. So let's go. It's a big box. Wow! Parang walang laman. So keep the box because I'm gonna do something to it. So here we go. Here we go again. Unboxing. Ultimate Isinya vlogging kit. So wow! So there it is. Oh. So That one is the universal LED video light. And this one is the phone cradle. GoPro mount. This one GoPro mount, which is the missing one. And wireless remote control. And that's the microphone. The microphone. Hello, hello, hello. Microphone. Need to put a battery. Well, people, I'm very excited to use my new vlogging kit. Hopefully, it's more mag-adapt siya ng more beauty and more viewers and subscribers. Please. Itodo na natin too. To be honest, nung una, gusto ko talagang mag-video dahil gusto ko yung pera. Pero ngayon, bonus na lang yun pag may grasya, no? Kasi nag-enjoy ako sa ginagawa ko. Like yung mga gala ko, nabibideo ko kung saan ako mapupunta. So, one day, mababalikan ko yun pagtanda ko. At saka, nag-enjoy ako sa editing mga beautiful people. I wanna learn more. Kahit hindi pa masyadong maganda yung editing skills ko. So, yan. So, hello. Charo.
So, ito lang yung microphone at saka yung universal LED light.
Look the stand. With the help of my beloved hubby. That's the 50 tripod. Go! I'm very excited. Oh, what happened? With the help of beloved. So good. Woohoo! Wow! That's the cell phone. I'm gonna put the cell phone there. Cool! Then we're gonna put the microphone on the pure light. Thank you for your help, my love. My love, so sweet. And connect this one in the phone. So, ready? Hello mga beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Australianong Bisaya. It's June's here. Welcome. Mga beautiful people. I have a problem because yung microphone, yan siya. Tapos, yung connection niya sa cellphone, ganito round. Pero but yung cellphone ko, hindi round, square siya. So, I don't know paano na yan. So, medyo damage din siya doon. Kung ano nang gagawin. Bit worried. Mga beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Australianong Bisaya, it's Jen. Welcome. Tonight na video mga beautiful people, may earning regalo naman yung asawa ko. Binigyan na naman niya ako ng, aside from the vlogging kit na binili niya, may bago naman siyang binili sa akin. Wow, thank you my beloved asawa. So, ito yung Digitech audio adapter. Kasi diba dati sinasabi ko sa inyo na may problema ako sa microphone ko. Hindi ko pa siya ginagamit. Ito kasi circle tapos square yung sa akin. So, itong adapter na to ang solusyon para sa audio adapter. So, yan. Kung napapansin niyo mga beautiful people. So, kasi yung charger ko sa phone, square siya. Ito siya. Tapos, ang microphone is, yun, bilog siya. So, I can connect through like this. And, yes, and I can connect it to my phone. And then, I can use the microphone. So, I'm very excited to try it on. So, klarong-klaro na talaga yung social distancing ng ngipin ko dahil ginagamit ko na yung light lid sa cam ko. So, yan na siya. Ito yung bagong binili ng asawa ko. At saka, sun district camera. So, yan. So, sabi ng asawa ko na ito pag mag-travel kami somewhere, hindi ko na kailangan gamitin ng phone ko kasi sa to lang guys. Ang ginagamit ko lang yung cellphone ko kasi easy lang siya pang editing sa akin. So, I have no idea yet kung paano to siya mag-upload. So, I need to study so that I will learn from it. So, ito na siya. Yay! It's a camera. Next 4K USB Wi-Fi action camera. So, wow, I'm very excited to use it. Mga beautiful people, super love it. Yung lights niya, parang clear na clear yung mukha ko. So, kita niya yung cute nose ko. So, ang dami niyang abubot. So, hindi ko alam kung paano itong gamitin. So, I need my hubby's help. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Charger yata to 6, 7. Ang daming mga... And ito na siya mga beautiful people, yung camera. Yes, parang feeling ko professional vlogger na talaga ako, charot. Kailangan lang ako. I just need some viewer and subscribers. Please mag-subscribe na kayo mga beautiful people. So yan. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Magagamit ko na ito gawin outside the house kasi instead yung cellphone gamitin ko, mahulog siya. Ito na lang. So, I'm super thankful with my husband. Thank you, Bobby, for supporting me. Even, hindi siya, ayaw niyang nasa lagi siya sa video, pero todo suporta siya sa mga gadgets na gagamitin ko. Kasi for me, I'm happy with the cellphone, but he said, no, this one is good. Yeah, hey! Thank you, thank you, thank you. People, yung camera is built already with microphone and speaker. Wow, how good is that? And much more. It will feature driving mode and loop recording if you want to use it. It's a car dashcam, so I can use it in a camera as well for my car for surveillance application. So I'm excited. Yay! Thank you, my love, for all the love and support on my kalokohan na my habit.